What's up? I'm getting flooded. There was no matches started. If now to record it in game, but this team, I joined their lobby and they just constantly started flooding me. My partner says he's having connection issues also. I'm gonna record and show. Match was supposed to be started about a minute ago, which is 8:30 forfeit time, and I can't sign in. My partner's gonna have some proof also. Let's see, there you go. Try it again. Can't sign in. There you go, game battles. That's my proof of me getting flooded. Can't sign in. They don't have any proof of them winning any games, so they shouldn't report anything. Well, there's my proof of getting flooded. Good game.